Hello and good morning student. Welcome to this video lecture series. Dear students, today we'll talk about future continuous tense. Yes, future continuous. As you know, so far we covered present tense, then past tense, and yesterday only we dealt with future simple tense. As you know, in future simple tense we talked about actions which are going to take place in future. In future simple we talked about actions which will be taking place in future. Today in future continuous tense we are going to talk about actions which will be taking place at a certain point of time in future. Means अभी कोई एक्शन नहीं चल रहा है, अभी कोई काम नहीं चल रहा है, लेकिन फ्यूचर में किसी पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे किसी समय पे कोई काम मूवमेंट में होगा, कोई काम चल रहा होगा. Some action will be taking place. Some action will be taking place at a certain point of time in future. Alright? Means in future continuous tense. Means some action will be in continuation, in progress, in movement in future, but not right now. Means here in this tense we talk about such actions which will be taking place, which will be happening, and which will be in continuation, which will be in progress sometime in future. Alright. Apart from that, we also talk about well planned actions, well scheduled actions, okay, which are going to take place in future. Alright. So in future continuous tense we will be dealing with actions which will be in movement or in progress or in continuation in future. So let's have a look. Future continuous. This tense used to denote an action that will be going on at some time in the future. Means here we talk about action or actions which will be going on at some time in future. फ्यूचर टाइम में, भविष्य में कभी किसी टाइम पे वो एक्शन क्या होंगे? गोइंग ऑन. दे विल बी कंटिन्यूइंग एट द टाइम. दे आर नॉट टेकिंग प्लेस, दे विल बी कंटिन्यूइंग इवन. दे विल बी इन प्रोग्रेस, दे विल बी इन मूवमेंट. गॉट इट? In future simple tense we talk about actions which will take place in future, which will occur or which will happen in future. But here we are talking about such actions which will be in continuation, which will be in progress in future. Alright. So action that will be going on at some time in the future. Future में किसी टाइम पे एक्शन चल रहा होगा. Got it? We shall be traveling tomorrow morning. कल सुबह हम ट्रैवल कर रहे होंगे. मीन्स सिंपली कहने का मतलब है कल सुबह हम ट्रैवल करेंगे. मीन्स बट tomorrow morning, the time of tomorrow morning, at that time your traveling will be going on. You will be driving or you will be in a public transport, but your traveling must be going on. When? Tomorrow morning, and that is sometime in the future. Got it? So tomorrow morning this action will be going on. What? That you will be traveling or you shall be traveling. As I told you, with I and we in future tense we generally use shall, but in modern English, or rather we say in modern grammar, even shall can be replaced with will. Alright. So we shall be traveling tomorrow morning or we will be traveling tomorrow morning. So कल सुबह हमारी ट्रेवलिंग चल रही होगी. So that is future continuous tense. Got it? They will be playing hockey then. Then means at that time in future. तब वे हॉकी खेल रहे होंगे. When? Tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, maybe next week. Whenever you will be reaching, okay, they will be playing hockey. Got it? So they will be playing hockey then. See, this then shows future time. here it shows future. Then they will be, वे हॉकी खेल रहे होंगे कब, then तब खेल रहे होंगे, means you are indicating certain point of time when they will be playing hockey. When you reach there they will be playing. All right, so वे हॉकी खेल रहे होंगे उस टाइम. They are not playing hockey right now, but they will be playing hockey at that time. Is it clear? He will be staying here. वह यहाँ स्टे करेगा, वो यहाँ रहेगा. So whenever he comes, he will be staying here. जब वो यहाँ आएगा तो वो यहाँ पे रहेगा. Got it? रहेगा. He may be staying here for 1 day, 2 days, for 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 2 years. So that staying will be in continuation, that staying will be in movement, that staying will be in progress. Got it? So in future continuous tense we talk about certain action which will be going on and on and on in future. Got it? Though maybe the time span may be shorter or longer, but they will be in progress. Got it? So he will be staying here. Right now he is not staying here, but he will be staying here. वो यहाँ पे रहेगा, वो यहाँ पे stay करेगा. Means we are talking about certain time or some time in future when he will be staying here. जब वो यहाँ पे रह रहा होगा. Got it? So see, this is future continuous. Means future में कोई action continue रहेगा, that is future continuous. When he gets home, his son will be studying. जब वह घर जाएगा, his son will be studying. उसका बेटा पढ़ाई कर रहा होगा. Got it? अभी घर नहीं गया, लेकिन जब वह घर जाएगा, and the moment he will reach home, he will find his son studying. Got it? So when he gets home, his son will be studying. जब वह घर पहुंचेगा तो उसका बेटा पढ़ रहा होएगा. मीन्स उस टाइम वो पढ़ेगा. शाम को जब घर जाएगा तब देखेगा तो उसे उसका बेटा पढ़ता हुआ मिलेगा. Got it? So that is sometime in future. So here action that will be going on at sometime in future. Okay, first condition. Second condition, action in the future which are well planned. As I told you, some action which are well planned, well scheduled, which are going to take place in the future. Well planned or which are expected to happen in the normal course of things. Well planned actions which are going to take place, or there are certain actions which are expected to take place in the normal course of things or in the normal course of life. You know that some things, such things or some things will take place in future. See, they will be meeting us next week. They will be meeting us next week. Means next week they will meet us. Alright? They have arranged a meeting with us next week. So that is well planned. This is well planned. Got it? So actions in future which are well planned. So they will be meeting us next week. वे हमें नेक्स्ट वीक मिलेंगे. मीन्स मिल रहे होंगे का मतलब है वे हमें नेक्स्ट वीक मिलेंगे. दे विल बी मीटिंग अस नेक्स्ट. सो दैट इज वेल प्लान. वी शैल बी डूइंग दिस वर्क टिल द एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ. सपोज यू आर डूइंग समथिंग and you expect that you will be continuing that work by the end of this month. इस महीने के अंत तक ये काम चलेगा and you will be busy doing that particular task by the end of this month. Alright, so here you assume that your work will be continuing till the end of this month. Got it? So that is also a sort of plan that by the end of this month this work will remain in continuation or will be progressing. So see, we shall, again we have used a shall. As I told you, with I and we use shall. If you use we will, that will be okay, no problem. So we shall be doing this work till the end of this month. So right now work is going on, may not be going on, but by the till the end of this month this action will be going on. Suppose something is going on, but till the end of this the same work will be going on. Got it? So you have planned such a way, or you feel that such thing will go on till the end of this month. Got it? India will be playing against Australia tomorrow at this time. India will be playing against Australia tomorrow at this time. So the match is well scheduled, well planned. Alright, already the timetable has been charted out weeks before, months before. Okay, and according to that schedule, that plan, the match is going to be played tomorrow. So India will be playing against Australia tomorrow at this time. कल इस समय इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अगेंस्ट में खेल रहा होगा. Means playing cricket, maybe take it for cricket. So India will be playing cricket against Australia tomorrow at this time. So here the plan is well planned, the action is well planned. Tomorrow at this time we will be watching that match on TV. Got it? Means India will be playing against Australia tomorrow at this time. India कल ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अगेंस्ट खेल रहा होगा. So कल का टाइम है. So the thing is that we will schedule our time in such a way that we would be able to watch that match, as the match is going to be fantastic, because India and Australia, both rival teams and both are competitors. Got it? So here see, again will be and playing. So at this time the work is not going on, but tomorrow at this time this playing, the match will be going on. Alright, India will be playing, or India will be batting against Australia tomorrow at this time. Alright students, got it? So in future continuous tense, basically we talk about actions which will be in movement, which will be in continuation, which will be in progress, which will be going on at some time in future. Future में किसी टाइम पे आप देखोगे तो वो काम उस टाइम चल रहे होंगे. Got it? Then we talked about well planned actions, और ऐसे एक्शन जो जनरली फ्यूचर में हो ही जाते हैं. Alright? Got it? Suppose something is your father, your brother, or one of your relatives, or one of your friends. Okay, he is likely to come, and once he comes, he will be staying here. That is very natural thing. So see, this is what future continuous tense show or expresses. Got it? So see, you must keep in mind one thing. In future continuous tense, so far the continuous tenses we studied, we have always used first form with ing. Means V1 ing form we have used in continuous tenses. Though it's present continuous tense, or present perfect continuous tense, past continuous tense, or past perfect continuous tense, or it is future continuous tense, we will always use V1 ing with continuous tense. Alright, so see here, will be or shall be followed by V1 ing. Will be, shall be, V1 ing shows that particular action or activity will be taking place, will be going on, will be taking place, will be going on at a certain point of time in future, or at some time in future. Will be plus V1 ing or shall be plus V1 ing, by using will be V1 ing and shall be V1 ing, you are talking about those actions which will be taking place in future. Is it clear? So dear student, this is all for today's lecture. You must keep in mind will be or shall be followed by V1 ing. Thank you very much. See you soon in my next video.